everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic long weekend. Today's episode is rather exciting. It's been highly requested and I'm so happy because your request is my command. Today's episode is all about Pat McGrath's Mothership Palette 2. Yes, darlings, this is the look already, but we're going to talk a little bit about it first. Talk about pricing, availability, colors, names. Then we're going to go into the tutorial, and after that I'm going to give you my review and we're going to find out if this palette is F.D.V approved or not. So this is the packaging. Absolutely tempting, gorgeous. It's that kind of reach out and touch packaging. When you see it on any shelf, as far as I'm concerned, you're like, ooh, what is this? Very artistic. And then you have the back, and this is what it looks like. It's got all of the ingredients. It's got the bee or the butterfly over here, and then when you open it, it continues off with the same theme, and there you have the palette inside, and then you have the bee or the fly right here by the mouth. Beautiful. I have to say, when it comes to packaging, this is the best I have seen so far in quality, in color, gorge. All right, so we're going to spill the palette out, and in the bottom of the packaging you have the pamphlet that has all of the names, and this is just clear, and these are the names of the colors in the palette. Look at the back of it. Decadent Gold, Pat McGrath Labs. When you turn it around, you got that black glossy lid. It's heavy. It is heavy. You open it up, you have a mirror, and these are the colors. I've already gone into it. Woof. All right, so guys, I'm going to do swatches for you. The VR Nectar is this pinkish gold one right here. I'm going to swatch it up here. Beautiful. The second one is the bronze 005, and that's this one right here. I didn't use it. I was tempted, but I wanted to have a really nice makeup story. Just look at that. Is that not fun? Iconic is the third one right here. That's a bronzy shimmer. We're going to put it right here. And that's beautiful neutral. You can just put that on your lids. Am I sweating? I'm sweating. The fourth one is called Copper Toned, and that is copper toned. Very pretty. It's got more of an orange hue, skin glow, and this is a matte opaque pink, whitish pink. So those are the top 5, yeah? Then we have Astral Ghost Orchid. Orchid is my favorite flower. I don't know whether you guys know. And we put that right here. And that's like an iridescent pink. It's got reflex in it. It's very lovely for the tear duct. It does work. One of my favorites, and I'm going to do another tutorial, and this one is called Bliss Emerald, a super duper green. Oh, to die for. I was so tempted, but I wanted to do something that was kind of neutral for you guys, you know. This is such a lovely color. This is Rose Dusk. Put it underneath here. Beautiful, beautiful. It's not loud, it's not shimmery, it's very creamy in texture, and I love the color because it's subdued, it's not loud. This one is called Dark, and that was my transition color. It's always great to have a transition. Look at that. I was surprised with the Xtreme Black because it is a very, very close second to Juvia's Place Chad. Very creamy, very soft, and pitch black. Wowie. So those are your colors, my loves. Yeah, do we see? Do we love? Are we excited? So those are the swatches, darlings. The palette retails for $125. You can get the palette at Pat McGrath Labs on their website, or you can also get it at Sephora. All right, darlings, we are going to go into the makeup tutorial, and then from there, we're going to find out whether we love or we can pass. Talk to you later. Bye.
Everything about you perfectly undone, and I was like a statue staring into the sun. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed.
hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Now let's talk a little bit more about my experience with this palette. First up, if you are paying $125 for anything, it better be Pat McGrath. You are paying for the packaging as well as the product. Do not get it twisted. And how gorgeous is this? I think that you should buy a palette like this when you want to spoil yourself, you want to get it for somebody at Christmas, for yourself for Christmas during the holidays. This is worth $125. Every stitch, every inch, every millimeter, centimeter. This is glamour. This is quality, with the mirror up there, with the beautiful colors, substantial. That's the only way I can describe it. I'm not going to call other names of other brands, but if you want to charge a palette for $125, Pat McGrath is it. On packaging alone, I'm going to give her that check. When it comes to the colors, they are so pigmented. They are so fire engine alert. And the black and the transition color, the matte was soft, it was creamy, it was pigmented. This is one of the best blacks I have ever had. A very close second to Juvia's Place, and that is saying a lot. I love the application of them very much. I loved the pops of color. I love the story in this palette. You can do so much with this palette, and that was why I didn't gravitate to the green. I bought this palette because I love this emerald green so much, but I wanted to do something else for you guys where you can say, okay, this palette is fun, I can use this palette. I don't regret buying this palette at all. Not at all. It is so decadent and the colors are beautiful. I can use them a million different ways, which I love, and I mix it in with my Juvia's Place. I put my blusher. I enjoyed using this palette, and I'm going to use it again and again and again. It's my, oh, let me get dressed, I'm going out palette. That was how I felt. You know, it was all about glamour. I was putting on music, and I really enjoyed myself with this palette. Yes. So, Ula, my love,
is it F.D.V?
It is absolutely F.D.V. Yes. Gorgeous. This is such a beautiful, decadent, luxurious palette. If you're going to go out there and spend your money, because Ula got this for my birthday, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I am certain that you will love it too. All right, darlings, and before I go, I also use the Anastacio Dream Glow palette. Beautiful. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I think she's doing very well. So gorgeous for the summer. I love the highlight. It was very bomb.com. And I used the Pat McGrath lipstick Flesh. I went over it with Chestnut by MAC just to subdue it a little bit. And this is the final look. All right, darlings, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Ula says bye.